Welcome back to Dr. Najam Lectures. In this video, we will talk about the creeping bandage or the crawling bandage. As we know very well that this patient have already a bandage which is known as the spiral bandage towards the leg. But creeping bandage we do on the previous existing bandage in order to support that bandage. So what you will do, just make the two circulations here like this. After completing the two circulations like this, just take a turn towards that side like this, like this. Again, come like this. And in the end, make two circulations here and fix it here. So this is all about the creeping bandage or the crawling bandage. We apply the creeping bandage or the crawling bandage in order to support the previous existing bandage. Thank you.